Hi, today I decided to investigate a little bit about the Asperger's syndrome, which is a neurobiological disorder with mental and behavioral characteristics. It is interesting that this syndrome is mostly present on the man population, and some of the characteristics that describe people with it are lack of social interaction, difficult to feel empathy for others, difficult to understand the social rules, uh, difficult to understand sarcasm and not literal situations. Um, it is also known that people with this syndrome prefer to not have changes on their activities. They prefer to have monotonous days without changes. Also, people who has this syndrome tend to be really talented in different areas. Some of the famous people with Asperger's syndrome can be Tim Burton, Stanley Kubrick, Lionel Messi, Michael Phelps, and even Bill Gates.